HTML is a markup language used to structure and organize content on the web. It uses a series of tags to format and style text, images, and other media on a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements which are represented by tags. Each element has an opening tag and a closing tag with the content of the element placed in between. For example, the paragraph element is represented by the p tag. And to create a paragraph in your web page, you would use the following code: an opening p tag and a closing p tag with some content in between. HTML also has a number of attributes which can be added to an element to provide additional information or functionality. For example, the href attribute is used to specify a link in an anchored element like this: an opening a tag, then some content, then closing a tag, but with extra attribute in the opening a tag href that provides the information where the user will be browsed to if he clicks on the content between the a tag.